Hello guys, what's my video? So today we're going to play the game. It's called I don't know, the Japanese hobby in the tower. So anyways guys, what's my video as well? Make sure to like and subscribe. So anyways guys, play the game. So I'm gonna fall guys. So I'm not gonna fall guys. So I can fly around. So anyways, we're going to just jump if I want. I'm going to just jump higher instead. Because there's space there. The space tower. The space tower. But anyway, if you want to this channel, make sure to subscribe. And also, info notification. So that I'm going to get 1K sub. If I'm going to get it, I guess. Okay, so we're going to play the game. So that I cannot fall. I cannot fall guys, right? Okay, let's go. Again. Okay. Okay, let's go. What did I say bad word? Bad word. I didn't even say that. Okay. Okay. Okay, I cannot speak it properly because I am getting a hashtag. Because that's annoying Roblox, I think. So my cousins are crying. So that's alright, but I wanted to speak it before it's too late, I guess. So they cannot see me, I guess. I think the player can't see me. Well, I'm in the upstairs, I guess. What? Okay. I'm going to beat it. Oh wait, I know going to beat it, guys. Oh my god. Okay, that's good. That's the coolest hobby. The coolest tower thing is. But anyways, that they create a new one. They create a new tower, I guess. What's that? Tower, I guess. What's that? Invisible? I don't know. There's blue and black and yellow or white. Black and white, I think. They just show it. But anyways, I just fly there. I don't know. What? Yes. Okay, be careful. Be careful, guys. Be careful. Be careful. Fall of the tower, guys. Let me know in comments. I'm going to just leave play. No! No, 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 no. No! No! His name is Jack. No, stop lagging. Stop falling or else. His name is Jack Steve. Flying like a bee. No! Okay. Wow, I like it, guys. I like being alone, guys. I like being alone. Dark hobby, I guess. Dark tower, like Mr. Beast or just Minecraft video server, I guess. I don't know. So, otherwise, this is the Roblox game, the Roblox channel that I created. A new first channel that's 23. What? I don't know. Oh, so anyways, I'm going to leave you. Okay, I'm going to leave player B, guys. Wait, how about let's just put the record. I said let's put the record there so that I can just see the chat. Okay. Okay, that's good. B, I don't know. Wait, me boy. What is doing? Oh wait, I think his name is. I don't know. I don't know what's his name. Uka. What is Uka? Okay, that's good. So me and my pair are good at just playing the game. The Spanish, I think. Okay, so they will support my channel, I guess. So they has bad words in this game. We can go up together. Oh wait, we should just go up together. Okay, so let's beat that up in this game, guys. I'm going to go. Okay, I know. This is the beat that game. This is the game that I should gonna beat this game. So anyway, so just beat this game and player. Oh, are you? Okay, let's see. 13. I saw I'm 13, right? Clear. Also, let me know in the comments that I wanted to just beat it. I win. Okay. Guys, I win. How? Win. I win. No! I don't wanna fall. Guys, I win. Yes. Oh my god, I win. Hi. Hi. Edge is. Yes. Yes. Hi. Hi. Yes. Stab me. Okay, let's go. Let's beat her. No, let's beat her so much. Okay. Hey, you, bacon. Bacon, eh? Hey, you. Oh. I'm 12, minus 13. I'm 12 minus 13. Yes. Oh! Oh, smoke my butt. Wow! Good. Wow, good. Oh my god! Hey, beautiful player. Huh? Come on, beat me. Hmm. Come on. Come on, beat me. Huh? I'm flying in the sky. 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 Hey. Hey, bacon eh. Uh, I win. Guys, I win. Oh my god. Hey, guys. Today we're going to play Minecraft. Minecraft. Okay. Okay. Hey, bacon eh. This one. Minecraft. No. No. Okay, guys. I win, guys. Okay. Good. I like this game. This game's awesome, guys. Hello. Okay. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay. Come on. Just looking at chat. Potato, potato, potato. Potato, 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 potato. Oh, I'm going to train you. Minecraft, Minecraft. My love, I love you. I love you. I love, you. I love, I love, I love, I love, I love, Stop! I look like a Minecraft. You just made it. Okay, so anyways guys, goodbye guys. I just wanted to train at something. So goodbye guys.